I wanted to talk to you about something that plagues most guys. It's the one thing that happens that hurts more than a woman telling you she's not interested. Do you want to guess what that is? The one thing that hurts more is when a woman that has already shown some interest in you suddenly falls off the face of the earth and starts ignoring you. The vibe has changed. She doesn't react to you the same way anymore. Maybe she doesn't laugh at your jokes as much, and every time you talk to her, you can literally feel her slipping away. Why does this happen? In this video, I'm going to tell you why a woman suddenly loses interest in you and how to get that interest back. So keep watching. There's actually a deep psychological reason why women suddenly lose interest in you, and it's not what you expect. A while ago, they conducted a study on mice, of all things, that can transform the way you think about attraction. They put a little lever in a mice cage. Now, every time the mouse would come along and press down on the lever, a little bit of food would come down the chute. So the mice started to love pressing the lever. They would press it over and over and over again until their little hearts gave out. But the scientists running the tests noticed something really interesting. As time went on, the mice became lazy. They would only press it when they were really hungry. So they decided to run a different test. And in this test, everything was the same as the last, except this time, the food would only drop down at random. Do you want to take a guess at what happened next? The mice became addicts to this lever. They couldn't stop pressing on it, hoping to get their cheeks filled with food. The randomness made it exciting to the mice, and this exact principle carries over to dating. If you become predictable in your interactions with a woman, they'll become indifferent to you. That's just how it is. What you want is to be unpredictable. Don't message her at the same time every day. Give her space throughout the week to wonder, oh yeah, why is he not contacting me? That way, your presence will always be eagerly awaited. Now, obviously, you can totally blow this one. If you're too unpredictable or unpredictable at the wrong time, that could be it for her. So getting that balance right is always key. You can't always be unpredictable because then you just become unreliable, and a woman of high value and high demand will get really bored and move on very fast. And you can't always be too predictable because then you're too available and you're too needy. So what is the right balance? The right balance is when you start to recognize that you are a scarce resource. And when women perceive you, your time, your attention, as scarce, they will try harder to be with you. When you are at work and she texts you, remember, you're a scarce resource and you need to focus on your work. Therefore, you will text back when you are done with work and can shift your focus to her. When you're out with friends, remember, you are a scarce resource and your attention for your friends is of high value to you. Therefore, when you're out with your friends, you are temporarily unavailable. Being authentically unpredictable comes when you have confidence in yourself. Confidence to know that you won't lose her if you don't respond right away. That the attraction is there because you're awesome and she knows it. And as your relationship molds and grows, you can find new ways to be unpredictable that don't require you to be unavailable or unreliable. You may plan what seems like impromptu and spontaneous trips or dates, or you may learn a new skill and surprise her by showing it off at random, or randomly take the kids away for the weekend without having to ask her to do it. Keeping a woman guessing and on her toes is what keeps that spark alive so that her dopamine levels never fall flat and she'll keep pulling on that lever, so to speak. Men who understand this about women are incredibly rare, and they are the men that have women chasing them and doing anything they can to make them theirs. If you want to know how to be perfectly unpredictable and sexy to all women, then I have something for you. I've made you a free 10-minute video that explains how to ignite feelings of chemistry and attraction in a woman at any stage of dating so that she doesn't lose interest in you. So go take a look at this free 10-minute video by clicking the link below in the description box, or you can go to winggirlmethod.com/flirt. Effortless. Not only will you discover how to keep a woman on her toes and feel consistent attraction for you and about you, you'll also see exactly how to communicate with us in a way that builds the kind of sexual tension we fantasize about every day. To watch this free 10-minute video, simply click the link below in the description box or go to winggirlmethod.com/flirt effortless. And I will see you next week.